second graders. Today we're going to practice spelling some Cycle 19 words. After I say the word and use it in a sentence, please pause the video so that you can type the word in the table to the right. Ready? Let's begin with word number 1. Number 1, park. I love to go to the park with my friends. Park. Pause the video and type the word park next to number 1 in the table. Number 2, each. Try your best to complete each assignment every day. Each. Pause the video and type each next to number 2 in the table. Number 3, luck. Good luck on your test tomorrow. Luck. Pause the video and type the word luck next to number 3 in the table. Number 4, march. I want to march in a parade. March. Pause the video and type the word march next to number 4. Number 5, edge. The edge of the paper is sharp. It gave me a paper cut. Edge. Pause the video and type the word edge next to number 5. Number 6, able. How far are you able to run? Pause the video here and type the word able next to number 6 in the table. Number 7, magic. I love watching magicians perform magic tricks. Magic. Pause the video and type the word magic next to number 7. Number 8, candle. I light a candle when the lights go out. Candle. Pause the video and type the word candle next to number 8. Number 9, pocket. I put my cell phone in my pocket so I don't lose it. Pocket. Pause the video and type pocket next to number 9. Number 10, hawk. The hawk flew down and caught a mouse. Hawk. Pause the video and type hawk next to number 10. When you're ready, restart the video to check your answers. Great job, second graders. Now that you've tried spelling the words on your own, how many words did you spell correctly the first time? Check your work by pausing the video and looking at the list in the table on this slide. Then, type in the yellow box how many words you got right on your first try. This is not a test, just something to see how well you did and a way to be proud of all the work that you have been doing on your own from home. We are very proud of you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next Zoom conference.